Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the PlayStation 4 error code NP-37667-9 when the SharePlay connection has lost because the network connection became unstable. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So if you're getting this error, the connection with SharePlay has been lost or the internet connection became unstable. So the first thing we need to do is go to settings and just quickly test our internet connection. So let's go down to network now and then go to test internet connection. And just find out what your upload and your download speed is. So everything in terms of my IP address is successful. So I'm getting a download speed of 156. And my connection speed for the upload is 2.4, so the minimum connection for SharePlay is at least 2, which is recommended. So anything above that should work. So if you're getting about 5 or 6, that is pretty good. So if you're not at that threshold, let's continue on to the next step. Now for SharePlay, what you want to do is go ahead and connect with a LAN cable. Physically connect a cable from your router to your PlayStation 4. This will give you the best connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, I'm going to show you how much of a difference this makes. So I was at 156 for the download before. Watch how much my connection speed drops with my download. 68. I literally lost like 90 for my download just from switching to Wi-Fi from LAN, and my upload speed went down as well. So you want to make sure if you are using SharePlay, you pretty much have to be connected if you're on the PlayStation 4 using a LAN cable. Otherwise, your internet connection will be lost or it will become unstable just for that reason. So if you are using Wi-Fi still and that's your only option, make sure your router is as close as possible to your PlayStation 4. It's not going through too many walls or too many ceilings, or like it's going through the back of a TV or something, because a TV is like a giant metal shield and it's going to block that Wi-Fi signal, or even a desk or a dresser. So think about your placement. Make sure it's close as possible so you can get the best connection speed over Wi-Fi. Another thing you need to be aware about is if too many people are watching like YouTube, or if they're watching Twitch or using up bandwidth. So if someone's watching Netflix and you're trying to use SharePlay, it's simply not going to work unless you have like the best internet provider with the best connection speeds. So you may have some trouble just because of that. So you may have to wait until that person is done watching that to go ahead and try SharePlay. So that is the best advice I have for you guys. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.